right, this is our Scholastic news for the week. This is about the world's most dangerous cat, the super cute little black-footed cat. So I'm going to have you go through and read this. If you want to go to the Scholastic News website, it has the link here, and you can put in the password. And I want you to go through and read it or have it read to you. And then you can do the questions on the back. So we're going to go ahead and do that now together because I know you guys can have it read to you on the app. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the different cats that are out there. It says, which wild cat on the chart is the smallest? So by taking a look at it, we can already tell that the black-footed cat is going to be our smallest cat. How many feet is the lion? So our lion, we look at the bottom, we're going to count the big solid black lines. Lets us know it's 1 foot for each one, and the dotted ones is halfway in between. So let's see, the lion goes to 7. So the lion is 7 feet long. Which wild cat on the chart is 4 feet long? So I would start at the 4. You can start at the top or the bottom and draw through and see which one's at 4. Looks like it's going to be our snow leopard. So there's our snow leopard. And number 4, which wild cat on the chart is 1 foot longer than the snow leopard? Well, the snow leopard is 4. So 4 plus 1 would be 5. So we go down, and that's going to be our cheetah. Our cheetah is 5 feet long. Okay, so our next worksheet that I'd like you to do is the Read and Think worksheet. Okay, so the first part says read cute little kitty, then stop. So we're going to go to where cute little kitty is, inside here. Let me open this up, get our magnets all going. And we're looking for the cute little kitty. Here it is. Down here at the bottom it says cute little kitty. So it says, why might someone be surprised that the black-footed cat is such a good hunter? So let's go to read this. It said, meet the black-footed cat. It's fuzzy and cute. It's smaller than a house cat, and it's the deadliest wildcat in the world. When you think of fierce cats, you probably think of huge animals, like lions and tigers. You probably don't think of a tiny one that looks like a fuzzy stuffed animal. But the black-footed cat is an amazing hunter. It catches mice, lizards, and spiders. It snatches birds out of the air. In fact, it's better at hunting than any other wild cat in the world. So what's the problem? So that'll get us into cats in danger. So why might you be surprised? You might be surprised because it's tiny and looks like a fuzzy stuffed animal. So you can put on here, why might someone be surprised that the black-footed cat is such a good hunter? You would say the black-footed cat is small and looks like a stuffed animal. Or does it say fuzzy animal? Looks like a fuzzy stuffed animal. And looks like a fuzzy stuffed animal. Okay, and you're welcome to pause the video if you need to. Let's go into the next section. It says read cats in danger, then stop. And we're looking for what is one reason why black-footed cats are in danger. So here's our cats in danger section. Not many black-footed cats are left in the wild. Scientists are worried that they will become endangered. That means in danger of dying out completely. The biggest problem is that people are destroying the cat's habitat to put up new buildings. This kills the mice, the birds, and the insects that live there. When that happens, not much food is left for the cats to eat. Another problem is hunting. People don't hunt black-footed cats, but they hunt other animals that live in the area. Sometimes they kill black-footed cats by mistake. So let's see, what is one reason that black-footed cats are in danger? It actually gives us 2. Their habitat is being destroyed. So they are in danger because their habitat, remember habitat is where an animal lives, because their habitat is being destroyed is one reason. The other reason you might want to include is that hunters kill them by accident. So you could also say, also hunters kill them by accident. Okay, number 3. Read scientists are helping, then stop. So let's go over here to scientists are helping. It says scientists are working hard to protect these cats. The scientists are putting tracking collars on them. The collars send messages that tell the scientists where the cats go. Just like we had the GPS tracker on the baby bears that we learned about in Scholastic News and the GPS trackers in with the turtles, the sea turtle eggs, they're putting trackers on them to see where they go. The scientists can make sure the cats are safe. Scientists also trap some cats and take them to zoos. They help the black-footed cats have kittens. When the kittens are old enough, the scientists bring them back to the wild. They hope that these cats will have more kittens and the number of black-footed cats will start growing again. People have created problems for black-footed cats, but people can solve those problems. Watch out, mice and birds. Black-footed cats are coming back. All right, so number 3. How does it help the cats to put tracking collars on them? Well, it tells them where they go and that they're safe, and they can also trap some of them to take them to zoos to have them have babies to put back out in the wild. So let's see. Scientists help them. Help the cats by tracking them to keep them safe. You can also talk about how they can trap them and take them to the zoo and then release them later. Okay, number 4. Read Where's That Cat? Then stop. Why are black-footed cats hard for scientists to find? So let's see. Where's that cat? That's here at the bottom. Okay. It says, where's that cat? Black-footed cats are hard for scientists to find. Why? They come out at night. They hide from people. They are tiny. Scientists are so happy when they find a black-footed cat and put a tracking collar on it. That lets the scientists help keep the cat safe. Okay? So why are black-footed cats hard to find? They are hard to find because, so they are hard to find because they come out at night. They come out at night. They hide from people, and they are tiny. Let's see if I can do this. And they are tiny. And again, you can pause your worksheet as you go. All right, let's do our reading checkpoint. Is our next worksheet here, okay? All right, fill in the circle for each correct answer. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm actually going to move it up just a bit here if I can. Okay. All right. What is this article mostly about? Different kinds of cats, the black-footed cat and why it's endangered, or how scientists use tracking collars to keep it safe? Well, the whole thing is definitely about the black-footed cat and why it's endangered. It talks a little bit on the back about different types of cats. It talks a little bit in the last section about tracking collars, but it's mostly about the black-footed cat and why it's endangered. Number 2, an animal that hunts other animals for food is called, well, this goes back to our vocabulary words. So it says, it's midnight and a fierce predator is hunting for food. So a predator is something that hunts for other animals for food. So we know a habitat is where someone lives. The scientists are people that help the animals, and the predator is an animal that hunts. As you guys are doing your animal reports, you might be studying about if your animal's a predator or what predators might be dangerous to your animal in your animal report. Number 3, what happens when people destroy the cat's habitat? Let's see, the mice, birds, and insects that the cats eat are killed. I remember that from the article. More animals come in to live in the habitat. I don't remember that part. The habitat becomes safer for cats to live in. Well, it wouldn't become safer because they're destroying it. So we know that the mice, birds, and insects that the cats eat are killed. Okay, let's go to number 4. Read the captions at the top of page 2. What does the cat do right before it jumps? So let's see, captions at the top of page 2. So this is page 2. So it says, the cat stays low to the ground, then it jumps. Gotcha, bird. So let's see. What does the cat do right before it jumps? It arches it back, stays low to the ground, or runs really fast. It says stays low to the ground. So we know it's going to stay low to the ground. Okay? And then number 5. What is one way that people are helping the black-footed cats? So that's all in our section over here about scientists are helping. Okay? They help them have kittens at zoos. They bring the kittens to the wild. Yep, we talked about that. That is true. They destroy their habitat? No, people are not helping by destroying their habitat. That's hurting it. And they help them catch birds and mice. Nope. So it's definitely A. All right, great job on this one, everybody.